one of the questions that we're often asked is how can I find something that was posted in a team easily? And the reason for that is often in teams, when we go into a team and we go into any channel, messages are posted and over time they stack on top of each other and eventually they become quite difficult to find because it's somewhere further up in the stream and they're hard to find. So in this method, where you actually keep things organized is in Outlook, not in Teams. And you do this by sending the message to your Outlook mail. To do this, you open your team, go to your channel, and as you put your cursor over the end and get your reactions, you click on the three dots. And one of the options is to share to Outlook. So I'm going to click on share to Outlook so that this message is sent to my Outlook mail. So I'm going to send it to myself. So now when I go to my Outlook mail, I can see here's the message right here. I can open it and there it is. So now I can organize it in a folder that I've already created in Outlook, or I can right click next to inbox or control click and click on new subfolder and create a folder. There we go, we've created a new folder. And now I can move this message into whichever folder it is that I want to keep it so that I remain organized so it's easy to find. So I'm going to put in this test 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I open that folder, there's the message. And I can also get back to the original message in Teams by clicking on the lower right where it says Go to Teams. So hopefully this may help you keep your messages organized and easy to find.